Oh my gosh, you guys. Hi, it's me. How are you? I'm doing wonderful. I kind of skipped the month of November to take a little breaky poo, but I'm back on here. I'm doing new looks on Instagram. We're bringing it back, and today I'm doing a holiday inspired look using the new Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice collection. This collection is so stunning, you guys. I'm so shook at the packaging. I'm shook at everything. It's so just detailed and phenomenal. I'm highly impressed with it. So I'm going to be using my Lydia Deetz brushes. These are so cute. They're half black and half white, and they have Lydia dancing on the handle. Precious, cute, I'm in love. I went in with the Waiting Room palette first and went in with the black shade, and now I'm going in with the Recently Deceased palette, and I'm using this like mustard green color first, and then I'm going in to the inner part of my eye with the more lime green kind of shade. On here, so I got a new camera. Let me just start off by saying that, and I'm still kind of learning, how to use it properly. The detail is crazy. It looks so much better than my last camera, so I'm still kind of learning things, so I apologize if it's a little weird, but in this video with the camera, this look looks really yellow, but it's definitely more on the green side. You could see the picture that I posted on Instagram, it definitely looks more green. I'm taking the shimmer shades from the Recently Deceased palette, putting them on top of the black and the green area, and now I'm taking this matte gel liner. This is called the Afterlife, and again, it looks really yellow, but it's definitely more of a lime green color. Anyways, I'm just putting that as liner on my lid and blending it into the black. We go into the other eye and our base, and here we are, we're back at it. I'm going in with this lime green pencil from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm putting that right in my waterline, just to give a little bit more green, I really wanted to use some purples, but since I was going for more of a Christmassy or holiday type look, I decided to just stick with green, and then my lips are going to be red. I'm smoking out my lower lash line, adding some black and the same two green shades, and just really smoking it out like I usually do. Going back in with the Waiting Room palette, I'm taking this shade called Juno. It's like a silvery, sparkly color, using it for my inner corner highlight, and then I'm going in with my favorite ColourPop highlighter, and amazing news, guys. For the month of December, I have a discount code with ColourPop. It's just Sydney Nicole, and it's for this month only, so if you want to go get you some ColourPop, go use my discount code. There are a few things that are excluded, I'm so sorry, like any name brand, crazy big, like Hello Kitty, Hocus Pocus, that kinds of stuff is not, you can't use my code with it, but everything else you can, so go get you some ColourPop. I'm going in with my Anastasia liquid liner. I'm doing my inner corner point, my signature inner corner, and then I'm going in with this mascara. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this packaging. This is the Melt Cosmetics mascara. It's a red packaging with sandworms on it. I'm etched onto the bottle. I'm sorry, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. I popped on some lashes. These are Tatti lashes, the TL5 pair. And then I'm going in to start doing my lips. I'm using my Conspiracy lip liner from Urban Decay. It's just a brown lip liner, lining my lips so I can get the shape that I desire. And then I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia liquid lipstick in Sarafine. I'm also going to be using this kind of as like a liner almost, so I get an ombre effect. I'm just doing the outer parts of my lips. And then I'm going in with my Miss Argentina Melt Beetlejuice lipstick. It's super matte, you guys. Sometimes when a bullet lipstick like this, it says it's matte and it's actually still shiny. This is matte, and it has sandworms engraved into the lipstick. You guys, I can't get over this collection. It's amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry that's kind of fast, but again, I got a new camera and I'm still kind of learning, so some things were kind of blurry, some things didn't really come out, but I hope you enjoyed this new tutorial. I have a bunch of stuff coming out for this month, and yeah, thank you guys for watching and supporting as always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.